Okay, this is going to be a quick video on how to make chicken taquitos. The chicken is cooked. I baked it in the oven, but I know a lot of people just buy the rotisserie chicken these days. I seasoned it with this. I put it in the refrigerator for a little bit to get it cold, and I'm warming up the grease now to soften the tortillas, and I'm going to show you how I do it. Very quick, very easy. So what we do first is we soften the corn tortilla. So I have the grease on. Just going to do about 3 right now for the video. So I get it softened. Get it softened. Take it out. We're going to have to wait, Waylon. Get it softened. Again, a lot of people are using the rotisserie chicken because I know the last time I bought a whole chicken at the grocery store, it was $7 uncooked. And you can buy a rotisserie chicken, as I understand, for $5 or $6. So I'm thinking that's the way to go. Now, I don't want this grease to get too hot. It probably is. But anyway, so I hope you can see this. I'm just going to take some chicken. That's shredded. And the chicken's cold. It does better if it's a little cold because you don't really want to fry the chicken again. You can make them as thick as you want. I don't make them too thick. See, that's too much in there. But they're going to have more chicken in them than what is at the grocery store. You just roll them up. I usually put 2 toothpicks. You could just do 1 if you want. Ooh, they're hot. Let me get 1 more done. Whew, they are hot tamale tortillas. Like I said, this is just a quick video. Maybe you can call it a short. I don't know. Just roll it up. Stick a toothpick in it, and I would use something to drop it in the oil with. This is it. We're frying them up. You can serve these with ranch dressing. You can serve them with, I'm going to show you, we eat it with the avocado green sauce that I make. And that video will be uploading if it hasn't already. And that's all you do is fry these. That's all you do is fry them. Go ahead and get these 2 ready. I just want to get the shells. You don't really need to cook the chicken. You just need to get, that's why it's better if the chicken is cold. This is probably going to be the shortest video I've done, which is good. Just kind of roll it around in there. So easy, so delicious. And the little chicken got out. Just throw it over there. If you're wanting to know what the temperature is, I'm going to tell you. You know, once you put it in there, the temperature drops. Roll that over with that. Not going to hurt anything, is it? You might want them soft, and you would take them out already. We like ours crispy. So it's about 300, 299, 300. It's creeping up. Well, those look pretty firm. They'll you might call these chicken flautas. I know that's what they call them at the restaurants. I call them taquitos, but I've also mixed in rotel without the juice into the chicken as well. But that kind of gets a little more messier. I said this is going to be, I think, the shortest video I've ever made. Just get these flipping and cooking, and you can serve it with the salsa. I'm going to do my taste test with you with the green avocado dip that I've made, and there is a video on that. And I think that right there is going to be good. Let them cool. I am back. Chicken flautas or chicken taquitos, whatever you want to call them. This is the green avocado dip that I made yesterday. Tastes better the next day. Serve it with ranch. These are cooled off enough, I hope, for me to taste. Delicious. Absolutely delicious. Chicken taquitos, whatever you want to call them. Quick, easy, rotisserie chicken or shredded chicken. Season it, wrap it up in a tortilla, deep fry it. Delicious. I hope you enjoy the video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to my channel. I have many more coming, my friends, many more. Have a wonderful day, and thank you again for joining me on my journey.